Yo, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be doing a trade review, and today was very annoying, I'm going to admit, because I've been very bearish, so it was just, and I knew we had to retrace soon. Like, if you guys look at the weekly chart, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 red candles in a row, so as I was saying in DMs to a couple people, I have been looking for retrace or way past liquidity at this point. We filled this gap right here, so I've been looking for a huge retrace, but today was just weird getting it because I was just super bearish. And there was 2 plays that I did notice, and they're actually the only 2 plays I ever would have taken today, and I only took one of them. And they're these downtrend breaks right here and right here. So when SPY's running like this, you never want to buy calls, especially when it's like way overextended past this pivot. Like, you never want to buy calls here. This is really bad risk reward. Like, say you bought calls right here, yeah, you would have banked, but your risk reward is gonna be, it's gonna be horrible. So like this is gonna be your risk reward. It's gonna be way down here, maybe under here, and like your profit, you don't even have a profit. Like, there's nothing. There's the history in the chart is so far back, so it's just horrible risk reward. So you never want to buy calls there, even though they were printed. The 2 plays what I would have suggested buying calls is right here and right here, and I actually saw them in a lower time frame. I saw this one in the 3-minute, this downturn break. So I had this drawn from this wick to this wick. I saw this nice candle close over, and then on this retest, that's when I would have taken. And ideally, your price target is right here, this next liquidity, so you would have sold here, left runners, and as you can see, the runners would have been on pretty well. So that was one of the trades I would have taken, and the other trade I would have taken was actually right here. So I drew from this wick to this red candle because this represents a solid down move, so it's almost like demand, but not necessarily. And then we get the retest, and that's when I would have loaded again. So that could have been a nice play. And then you're with the retest, just have like a 10% stop, because if you were to get SPY calls right here or right here, a 10% stop would be basically if it went way under here. So it's like you don't need to wait for a close exactly, but you could just have a 10% because your entry would have been so good if you took on the retest. I always take in the retest of downtrend breaks. I never take this candle because look, I might have gotten stopped out there or there. So you always want to look to take the retest. So yeah, I'm gonna draw these on the 5-minute real quick. Again, I did not like today. This is, I don't know, it's just I did not like this chart. It just went up and up all day. I'm not really used to that. So this is a little weird to draw. I'll just draw it from right here for now, and right here. It does look a little worse than the 5-minute. The only other thing I would have said is, like, this could have been a potential play. We created a double top at high a day, which is kind of interesting. So let me draw that. So we created this nice double top, almost to the cent. You could have gambled and taken that, but again, like, you would have had to wait for confirmation, and we didn't really get much confirmation. We see a huge bearish engulfing candle, and you don't want to enter down here. You want to enter as close up to here as possible. So you would have want to been looking at lower time frames to get an entry there. But yeah, other than that, that's the only 3 plays I see. You don't want to be buying calls way up here, especially if there's no, especially if we're way overextended. I don't even have the RSI on, but I bet you it was pretty yeah, I was in the overextended area all day today. Just not a good buy in my opinion. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Drop a like, and peace out.